Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Little, just
Dito.
little from
It's
English.
okay. Are you a
I just,
100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Friends, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be
Yes,
uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. I'm Nancy Hernandez Habat, 38 years old.
Sorry, are you
40,
38 or 40?
40, ma'am.
40.
40.
Okay, please focus in the camera. Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
Married
When is your birthday?
January 5, 1984.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
49 and 50, 50 po. Wait.
Okay, what about your religion?
Iglesia, INC,
Okay.
Iglesia ni Cristo.
Okay, what about your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay, so do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
Two, ma'am. Son. Two son.
Okay, ages?
17 years old and 7 years old.
Okay, so who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My sister,
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
my sister, 35 years old and may sarili pong business. May ano siya,
Got
may
her own
grocery.
business. Okay, please speak in English, okay? So, what is your husband occupation and how old is he?
Driver and ano, and
How old is he?
39, ma'am.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2020 in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, correct?
Yes,
You worked there for 2 years.
yes,
You
ma'am.
finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you describe what are your duties there to your previous employer in Saudi? Normally, what did you do there?
Clean house
Okay.
and wash,
Wash
wash,
clothes?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then
And turning dress.
ironing? Did you do
Yes, ma'am.
cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take care children, baby?
No, ma'am.
Sorry, elderly?
Elderly, ma'am.
Did you take care elderly
11,
there?
yes, ma'am. 11 years old.
Also, you take care a child 11 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One only.
No, ma'am. Eight elderly, ma'am. Na three
No,
and
the elderly I mean is the old people. So how many children did you take care?
eight, ma'am.
8 children.
Yes, children, ma'am. Three elder and five adult.
Okay, how old are those children?
11, ma'am.
And then
14 and 17.
all grown up.
Yes, ma'am.
The elderly
And
the elderly is how old?
11, 14, and 17, ma'am.
Okay, how old is the mother and the father?
I don't know, ma'am, because I do not talk.
Okay, so you didn't take care old people there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Only children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what did you do to these children because they are already grown up? Normally, what are you doing?
Children, ma'am.
Yes.
Cook breakfast and
Prepare their
but,
things.
ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
You also prepare the things and then you cook for them, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you didn't like continue working to this employer? Why you just worked there for 2 years only?
Because pandemic, ma'am.
Pandemic. Okay. So you know that being domestic helper is not that so easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Same like what you did in Saudi Arabia. Because there is no such a thing that you will do or you just focused on doing house chores only. Okay? Because
Yes,
once
ma'am.
your employer got children or elderly or got they wanted you to prepare for any task, then are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so also, as I have mentioned, that you need to be multitasking because there is no such a thing that focused on doing house chores, okay? So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care baby?
Infant, ma'am.
Yes.
Elderly.
So, are you okay or not? It's okay. You can tell me.
Not,
No,
ma'am.
okay. Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? Are you okay?
I can repeat, ma'am.
Caregiving for bedridden patient and
No,
disabled person. Are you okay?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay to take care pets?
No, because,
You're scared with
no, ma'am.
Are you scared with dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days. It's not 2 weeks. It's not 2 months. And it's not 1 year. It's a 2 years contract. Okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
are you aware that once you breach your contract, you have a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct? You were the one who
Yes,
decided because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you aware in usage of mobile handphone?
Repeat. I can repeat, ma'am.
Are you aware in usage of mobile handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it if you are aware? Okay, so you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you're working. But
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have a once a week rest day also. But you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. But of course, if you will going to work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
I wanted to let you know in our initial interview regarding about the rules and regulations of our agency, okay? We don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to complain us or demand us about these things, okay? Because
Yes, ma'am.
in the first place, you agree our rules and regulations. That's why I am asking you whether you agree or not, so that we lessen the problem later, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so normally, how will you how do you fight your homesickness?
Um, work, more work, ma'am. Work, work.
Work, work.
Yes, ma'am.
Focus on your
Work.
work. Okay. So why did you wanted to apply here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or rather than go back in Middle East?
Because ma'am, my friends, uh, Malaysia, ma'am, is one of the no abuse, ma'am.
No abuse.
Abuse, no
Okay.
record abuse, ma'am.
Okay. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Nancy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.